What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be heading over to Hungry Valley. I forgot to start recording at home when we checked the fluids on the XJ. We're gonna take this one and they're gonna follow us with the Tacoma as well. But we basically checked the oil, the coolant, and transmission fluid, and it's all good. So pumping gas up right now. And we're gonna head on over there. So we're gonna get some McDonald's. We're over here by Six Flags. Just gonna eat it and then we're gonna keep going. Steep. And it's a little slippery because of the wet dirt. And now the truck is all the way up. We went up with the Jeep on this little hill, so now the truck is gonna come up, see if it makes it. It's a 6-speed transmission, manual transmission, so it kind of like the power cuts off. I don't know why. Something's wrong with it. Oh, I think they're trying to put it in 4 low because I don't know, it's acting stupid. We just read the reviews online and a lot of people are having those issues. Been looking for Starting to get windy. See if you can make it up this hill. It's pretty steep. After we went through the water, the check engine light came on and the voltage started dropping a lot, but this Jeep has been having that issue, so we kind of just drove around like that, and right now it completely died off. So the battery's dead, the alternator's bad now, so we're gonna try to charge it and see if we could get out. We're gonna jump start it. We're gonna leave it. We're gonna connect it to the truck and let it charge for a bit, and hopefully we could drive it at least out from here, and then we'll go from there. We charged the battery for a bit, and this is how much it gave us. About 10 volts. So we're gonna try to get as far as we can. We're like about an hour and a half away from home, so might have to stop a couple of times to charge it, but put you guys back on if we have to pull over. So once again, we're gonna have to charge to this. We only made it to Pyramid Lake, and we're waiting on the truck because we just took off from Gorman. So we're gonna wait on the truck, and when he gets here, we're gonna charge it. Probably for a little longer than the first time, and keep pushing. So this is the lake right there. We already charged it a couple of times and we just can't get around. It'll keep dying. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the battery from that truck and put it on here. Meanwhile, he charges this one, and we're gonna take off with that battery as fast as possible, and then just go back and forth. Hopefully we're able to make it home like that. We are by Six Flags, I think. We still got about an hour to get home. So that didn't work. The battery on that truck is a little bit too big for this Jeep. So what we did is we took off the battery from the Jeep and we put it on the truck. We let it charge for a bit. Now we're gonna start heading out once again. We made it to the city, but we're still 40 minutes away. And we can't turn on the headlights because the battery's gonna die. We're still at around 10 volts. So we're gonna keep going. The Jeep died and we had to pull over, so we're waiting for the truck to stop by again and charge the battery a little bit. I think we're like about 15 minutes from home, 15 to 20 minutes from home, and it's starting to smell like burnt. So I think that alternator is like completely shot. Let's see what happens next, but it's always something with this Jeep. The first time it was the rotor, the distributor, and today it was the alternator. We finally made it home. So I guess tomorrow we're gonna pull off the alternator, get it rebuilt. It's like 60 bucks for a rebuilt alternator. AutoZone has the value craft for like 150. So we're gonna get it rebuilt, and if it doesn't work out, then we'll go ahead and get the value craft. We had to stop one more time right before getting home to jump start it again. That's it for this video. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.